Ambos ha?
Kahit yes, kahit short statement lang po doon sa naging development sa Congress about the impeachment against VP Sara.
Impeachment. The statement of the President is unambiguous na wala kaming kinalaman dyan, and we are not going to encourage that. The President has been very clear about his position on this. So any suggestion na political yan or instigated by our side, no, that is never true.
Last week, yes, nag-isa ng statement si Pangulo na kung pare sana, wag na lang umusad sana eh. Pero how does it feel para kay Presidente at ng Palas ngayong nagkaroon na ng complaint?
Right now, mahirap kaming mag-comment dyan. But alam mo, what the House of Representatives is saying is we let the process flow. Kami naman, what do we need to say? The President already made a clear and unambiguous statement that he would not support an effort to impeach kasi distracting. Marami tayong pangangailangan na gawin. Importante sa bayan. So, ganun dapat.
Yes, maraming salamat.